7 essential items you need to carry while traveling. Ultimate packing hacks to help you organize your luggage without missing out on the necessities. Going on a trip is not only fun but essential for clearing your mind when life begins to look dull. So if you have planning for going on a trip anywhere, you always have to make list of the essential items to carry with. This not only gives you clear idea for essential items but also help to manage your all the items in one place. Worry not, in this article we will help you. So go ahead and give this piece a read. What to pack for a trip. 1. List of clothes to pack. Do a lot of research about the weather of the place you are traveling to. It all starts there. Pack track pants, shorts, and comfortable t-shirts if you will be doing lots of outdoor activities. Start from basics like bold t-shirts, intimates, trousers, jeans, and shorts. Do a dry run with clothes you wear every day and work your way through. For winter holidays, pack enough innerwear and outerwear to layer up. You can experiment with everything that goes in between. 2. Shoes. Pack hiking, running, or walking shoes depending on where you are going. Closed footwear, in general, is always a great idea. 3. Makeup and accessories. You can transform any outfit with the right accessories and makeup. Talk about smart dressing. Earrings, statement necklaces, finger rings, side body bag, shades, or anything that can pop and spruce up your outfit can be good additions to your bag. Hair ties, tweezers, clips, and bobby pins for your hair are essential. 4. Toiletries. Pack your essentials like face wash, shampoo, conditioner, toothbrush, toothpaste, razor, lotion, sunblock, deodorant, and perfume, 8 ounces or lesser, first. Hotels usually provide some of them, so you can skip things like shampoo and soap. 5. Medicines and first aid. If you are on any medication, don't forget to carry them, even the ones you take occasionally. Carry general medicine like paracetamol, diarrhea medicine, painkillers, motion sickness pills, and allergy medication. 6. Travel documents. Get your travel documents in order, especially if you are traveling abroad. Don't forget your medical and travel insurance, identity proof, and immunization records. Language guide and maps are always helpful. 7. Travel gear. If you are going to the beach, a beach bag, shades, flip-flops, sunglasses, and a ton of sunblock are a must. Read up on the weather and plan your gear. Camera bags, a comfortable backpack, a side body bag, shoes, water bottles, and stuff that makes your trip convenient falls under this category. Rain jackets, winter parkas, gloves, socks, and leg warmers when visiting a cold place are essentials.